Ready to join the BlueSky social network and connect with others? Let me show you how to create your account and get started with a fresh new profile. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create an account on BlueSky social app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the BlueSky social app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, check out my previous video on how to download it. On the welcome screen, you see two options, sign in and create account. Since you're creating a new account, tap on create account button. Next, you'll be asked to provide either your email address or phone number. Enter it in the text box. Then it's time to create a password. Make sure it's something secure and easy for you to remember. Then enter your birth date. Tap next once you're done filling things up. You'll now be prompted to fill in your basic information like username and profile picture. Type in your desired username. Once you're done, tap on the next button. Here you can upload your profile picture or simply skip and tap on continue button. You can also choose a bunch of options here to help customize your experience. Then tap on the continue button. Here tap on the let's go option. BlueSky Social may send you a verification code via email or text to confirm your account. You can customize your profile by adding a bio, a cover photo, and more. You can always do this later if you prefer to jump straight into exploring BlueSky. And that's it. You've successfully created your account and now you can start exploring BlueSky Social, follow people, post updates and more. And that's how easy it is to create an account on BlueSky Social. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first one to know when a new video drops.